In the silence of an ICU, every breath is a battle, where every moment feels uncertain. Time slows down, but the fight continues, and every second holds a life. Sirens cut through the silence. Time is slipping. Inside, every second demands action, and when it matters the most, they reach for what can save a life. They saw the struggle, from ICU to the ward, to recovery, the gaps, the delays, the uncertainty. And in that moment, it was no longer just a situation. It became a responsibility, a decision, to build something better. One system, one vision, one complete solution. From ICU to ward to OPD. HCI. HCI products are manufactured in WHO GMP-certified facilities through trusted third-party partners, where every batch is tested, every detail verified, because behind every product, there is a life it must protect, and quality is not a process, it is a responsibility. Efficient distribution across Delhi NCR, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and across India, from ICU to ward, to recovery beyond. One complete solution at every stage of care. Confidence in every recovery. Trusted by those who deliver care. HCI. A complete solution. A comprehensive range. Designed to support every stage of treatment.